Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, even grandpapa, they beg. Yo, they beg. Wonder shall never end. You see, yo. You see, grandpapa, all of una. Now from distance, now una go to see me and your children. From distance, now una go for the talk to them. From distance, now una go dey hear their breakthrough. If you all put me Edochie children first, all of una for join hand arrange that home. You people were all selfish to yourself. Especially yo. Yo never put his children first. Instead, he preferred Bekus than his own children. Before Juju Ekwensu came, me Edochie don already born 4 children for her. No be say after Juju Ekwensu, now me Edochie come dey born. The children were already there, gidigba. Person wey born 1 girl, born 3 boys. Wetin dey fight for outside? Na girl pikin me Edochie no give am. Abi na boy pikin, now me Edochie no born. So, what is his problem? What was he looking for? If it's not greediness, selfishness, narcissist, pride. When this whole thing happened, you made a mistake, Oga. Accept your mistake. Beg your wife. You were full of pride. Today now you dey cry. Your papa dey cry. Every time you people want to make me Edochie a bad person. Always trying to make that woman to feel as if what she's doing is wrong. Today, Zane picture was posted by Misiano Skincare. The video is in her page if you want to go and watch it. She posted it. This video, you know, say Bola warriors, they know they use it say me Edochie children, they social media, they don't wrong go they criticize. This picture got to yo. Yo saw this picture and he started crying. Hey, crocodile tears. You cry, yo. I don't know who will see you they cry when they pity for you. You see me, if you they cry, that thing will bite you, will make you they cry. I go put 10 on top, make you cry well. Fake cry. Did you cry when you were dancing in Simiri Jofo on social media? Were you crying? Did you cry when you were breaking the hearts of these children? You did not only break the heart of their mother, you break the children's hearts. In short, the children, they felt it more. They felt it more. They are connected to you, physical and spiritual. Relationship can end. Everybody go your own way. That name still there. Even if the relationship is no longer there, the friendship is no longer the papa and children. Even if the papa and children love is no longer there. But that the connection of family, nothing they remove am. Now my brother, we know they talk. Now my sister, we know they talk. Now my papa, I not like him. I know they talk to her. But wait till call him my papa. Did you consider them before you went to be dancing a Simiri Jofo on social media? Did you consider? Did grandpapa call you in order? Because if to say he call you, before now, did he call you in order to tell you, my pikin, respect your children? We are not talking about me, Edochie. Your children, did you respect them? Now you dey cry crocodile tears. Say Zin don't big finish. And he doesn't care about you. That is what they said. He said me Edochie has finally succeeded in taking Zin away from him. You say as Zin grow. Every day now they grow. And yet, there is no connection between him and his son. Maybe he don't go cry, give you papa. Maybe he don't go complain, give him papa. If papa can't go, they call me Edochie. If papa can't go, they call me Edochie. They tell me Edochie that he saw the video of Zin and his heart was broken. His conscience was judging him. Hey, una never see anything. Grandpapa say his conscience judge him. He said he asked himself, is this my grandson? How come he don't grow like this? And yet, we don't have connections anymore. Everybody don't go a separate way. Everybody don't do their own things on their own. Grandpapa said his heart was broken. He said he asked himself, how did they get here? See him wey be grandpapa, see the grandmama. They no even gonna know how Zin be again. Now for social media, now they come dey see their grandchild. He wey be grandpapa, he dey pain her like this. Imagine yo, which is the father. Now grandpapa begin dey call me Edochie. They beg me Edochie, say make he let Zin go spend one holiday with them. He said that these children, gradually, they will lose their paternal side. That May Edochie should put it into consideration of trying to bring these children home. Let the children come and spend holiday with them. That these children gradually, they'll just forget paternal side. And this is bad. He said he saw the picture of the video of Zin. Say his heart was broken. Zin don't grow finish. And yet, and the worst part of it is that this boy is growing without his paternal side involving in any of his life. He said now so this boy go take grow. He no go even come remember any of them. Edochie say he still dey alive. His wife still dey alive. But yet, May Edochie children, they don't have contact. They are not seeing them again. Now from distance, now they forgot to see them. Either through social media. Now they forgot to look there. How did they get here? Now I come begin to beg me Edochie. Say me Edochie, this one not good for you. This one not good at all. They need to find solution to this one. Now grandpapa come dey beg me Edochie. Say make me Edochie put these things into consideration. Because finally like this, now so these children, they go take grow, they forget them. He say he see Zin, say conscious they judge her. Say me Edochie abeg. Me let Zin they come spend holiday with them. This boy though they grow. And he's growing without anything concerning his paternal home. Grandpapa na so he go take grow. Yes. Zin is going to grow without anything concerning his paternal home. Because his paternal home failed him. When these children needed you people most, what were you doing? You went to be praying for poo-poo. You carried poo-poo on your hands and you were praying. A child that destroyed the home. Did you think of Zin when you were blessing that child? Did you think about him? Did you even put into consideration that these children, what they might be going through now, is not time for this game? Were those children really matured enough to entertain the shame and disgrace that Juju Ekwensu and Yo were practicing on social media? Were they matured enough to entertain it? Do you even know that May Edochie paid heavily to take Zin to a psychologist to help him out of the trauma that Efulefu Ewu Tenje put her son? Today, you people are trying to blame May Edochie. Oh, May Edochie, you can't do these children like this. These children will not have access to their paternal home. These children will lose. They will practically forget about their paternal home. These are boys, these are men, these are Igbo men. Igbo men, paternal home is more important. That is una cup of tea. If una know say important, una for protect them. Una for guide them. Una for stand by them. Even if you people say, me Edochie carry your wahala, they go. What about the children? Una yes, say those children were bearing Aligwe. They were bearing Edochie. You all turned your back. If to say me Edochie not be strong woman, uncle. The situation where Juju Ekwensu and you put me Edochie. Na situation where person say they buy. Not all women can survive it. It's either that situation is either let me go and beg them and accept them, make we just they live together. Or make I go jump. Or make the person go jump for Third Mainland Bridge. Make it just buy. That is the two options they gave to this woman. But she was so strong, she overcome them. The way me Edochie to overcome them is still a shock. What did you people do? Did you take any actions? Which one be me his son come spend holiday? Spend holiday for where? Where? When they needed you people most, did you ask for holiday? But Ekwensu's son was in your house. You prayed for him. Did you care about sin? Then now they come. From distance, now una go dey look me Edochie children. Yes. From distance, now una go dey hear. Their mama build us for Intenje. If they want to do anything in Intenje, their mama get us. You fit carry, if you carry the property where you dash and if you give Juju Ekwensu children, and their cup of tea. Me Edochie children are not after his property. Don't have anything to give. Because anything that come from me now is a curse. Thank God me Edochie, that house is under her name. If our children want to go to paternal home, their mama get builders for them. They will see us enter. And if they decide to still cut una off, there is no problem. Because una overdo. Una overdo. Do you remember that because of what was going on, because of what you was doing, his son Kambili Chukwu was in pains. Kambili Chukwu go carry Papa, they advise him, Papa, they talk. That means that boy was frustrated because of you. The boy was ashamed. He's not like Kai. The boy was ashamed. Kai dey free with everybody. Kai not send you. If you come out the dance, now Kai go laugh and go pass. Go curse and join and say, Mumu, your mates are doing better things. Continue dancing. That is Kai. That kind of person I be. But somebody like Kambili Chukwu, the thing go pain her. He go feel her. And a person with this sensitive. Your misbehavior contributes to that boy RIP in different way. You can think about it. Today, una see me come spend holiday. Not be only holiday. Me Edochie will carry and come give una money trainer. When you stop giving me Edochie money, did you people take action? It's a question. See, today you not spend 10 kobo. As if they go do interview, now you send money go give Kai. Make it take prove evidence. What a shame. What a shame. That means he knows what he's doing. Did you people call him in order? Umbano. You did not. But today, you people want me Edochie to come give a picking. Now they say, waiting me Edochie, if it continue like this, it's not good for the children. The children will grow up. Let them grow up. You people want to make me Edochie as if what she's doing is bad. You see why I continue telling you people, you see these evil people, if you pity them, they don't have pity on you. Just they pity your enemy. They don't get pity for you. Because if these people get pity, they go think of the pains and what they put me Edochie through. Shame no go even let them talk this word. They will only say, oh, please, please forgive us. Did you hear forgive us from their mouth? No, they won't tell you forgive me. They are still trying to prove a point that these children, they are Igbo boys, they are men in Igbo land. Men need to belong to their paternal home. They need to know their tradition. They need to know this and know that. Have they told me Edoshe sorry for the pains they cause her? No. That's why I know they pity my enemy. If you purposely do me bad, I will purposely send you to your ancestors. I don't give a damn. Because if you give them opportunity, they will buy you. Yes. The person will just do like this, they will buy them. They don't have pity. Did you see any form of remorse from them? Did they even say, oh, we offended you, it is our fault? No, it is never their fault. They even want to blame me, Edoshe. Now see woman way good. Now see woman way good. If to say you jam tough woman. Now for your ancestor place, now for the talk by this time. They'll just send him there. When you meet a woman that her heart is strong, you see what you did, they will send him to his ancestors. May go the report himself for there. Wonder shall never end. You both should be grateful that God gave you a godly woman, a woman that fears God, a woman that obeys, and a woman that is a Christian, a pure Christian. Now I save that your son. Now I make you see the thought say, me, they should bring the children home. By this time, your own son, for don't join the ancestor, you for not see Matt till they talk. Wonder shall never end, my people. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is my True Life Story. God bless you.